Welcome to this all-in-one course designed to make your confidence and skill in today's most essential digital tools. We'll begin with Microsoft Word, where we or you will explore the interface, learn how to create, save, and format documents, master fonts, and paragraphs and styles, and work with tables, image, and shapes. You will also discover how to use headers, footers, templates, and more. By the end, you will complete your first project, building a professional report with style, headings, visuals, and polished formatting. Next, we'll move into Microsoft Excel, where you will get hands-on with formulas and functions like sum, average, and count. You will practice formatting data, creating charts and graphs, and even working with pivot tables for basics analysis. Your projects here will be to build a practical budget to sales dashboard using formulas, charts, and pivot tables. Then we'll dive into Microsoft PowerPoint. You will learn how to design engaging slides, applies layouts and themes, inserts images and charts, and use animations and transitions effectively. Finally, you will put it all together by creating a 5 to 7 slide presentations complete with visuals, charts, and professional delivery settings. In the next sections, we'll explore the power of AI with ChatGPT. You will discover how to generate content, write summaries and emails, and even use prompts for advanced learning, research, and automations. For your project, you will generate a full content package, like including a blog post, email, and summary report powered by AI. Finally, we'll wrap up with Google Sheets. You will start with the interface and basics formulas, then move into conditional formatting, data validations, charts, and pivot tables. You will also learn how to collaborate and share in real time using the cloud. To finish, you will create an interactive inventory or grade tracking sheets that combines formulas, formatting, visuals, and collaborations features. By the end of this course, you won't just understand these tools, you will have created real world projects that you can use, share, and add to your professional's portfolio. So let's get started and unlock the skills that will help you work smarter, faster, and more confidently.